Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today is going to be a follow-up video on how to install the alternator on your 2004 Volkswagen Jetta. Now I did another video showing how to take it off. I'm gonna put the link down below where you can watch that video, and also a video on how to remove the serpentine belt. Alright, this video is just to show you how to install. Yeah. Now guys, I want to say something. I bought this alternator at the junkyard because the one I had on this car was bad. I was getting the battery light on my car and didn't want to turn on, so I noticed that the alternator was bad, so I went and bought this one at the junkyard. What I found out is when I was putting this inside, it didn't want to go in, I think because this part was a little bit longer than the other one I had. So what I had to do is I had to file it down a little bit with this. I don't know if you'll have this problem too. If not, then you can skip this part. So what I did is I had to file this down a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. This part and also this part. And well, me doing that, it gave me more room to put it in with no problem. So first thing first, guys, you want to start plugging in the electrical part first. Let's go ahead and put this cable in. This is where the small one goes. Okay, now using an 8mm socket and a small ratchet. Now we need to install this one right here, and goes with this one. And with this one, you're going to need a 13mm socket. There. And now you can just plug the cable. Now you can line it up, and I'm gonna put this one on the top one. And now we can use the ratchet. Okay, don't tighten it all the way in until you put the last one. So now we're gonna put the one at the bottom. See if I can show you. There it is, right there. All right, now that the bottom one is in, now we can tighten it up. Got it. Now we're gonna do the bottom one. With the bottom one, we don't need an extension. So, just like this. Alright guys, so that's how you install an alternator. So as you can see, it's there pretty steady. Now we have to install the serpentine belt. I'm gonna leave the link down below on how to install the serpentine belt. I just wanted this video to show you guys how to install the alternator. So if you need to learn how to install the serpentine belt, click my other video down below. Again, I'm gonna like I mentioned on the other video, I'm gonna put the link down below where you can buy the alternator. So if you need to buy it, just check out the link down below in my description. And thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, peace.